Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment done down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm grabbing my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I'm just going to use this as an eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to set everything in place with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the brand new Flutterby palette from ColourPop Cosmetics, and this is one of their newer palettes. This is what it looks like on the inside. I feel like it is a super wearable palette, especially for those of you guys that like to do super natural makeup. So the first shade that I went in with is Wild Wing, which is this really light neutral brown shade. It's almost like a cool undertone, and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. Next, I went in with the shade Angel Baby, and I just put that in my crease, pretty much starting to map out where I want to add definition and winging it out in the outer corner. Then I went back into the shade Wild Wing, which is the transition shade that we first went in with, and I just put that directly over top of that line just to blend everything out, to make sure that everything is nice and blended, because even though we want definition, we still want it to be blended. And then I went back into that deeper shade that we put in our crease, Angel BB, and I just started to pack that on the outer portion of my lid, kind of like where I would smoke out a wing, and stopping halfway to where my lid is and just really feathering it inwards with light tapping motions. And then I went ahead and grabbed some concealer and cleaned up the center portion of my lid just to make it a little bit more sharp, and then I set everything in place with translucent powder. And then I moved the tape down and I started to feather that same shades that we put in our crease, pretty much dragging it along the tape. And then I went in with my BH Cosmetics Smoky Gold Glitter and my NYX Glitter Primer, and I grabbed a really small detailed angled brush and I started to apply that glitter in my crease and also directly where that line is, that first line from where I removed the tape. And really take your time with this step because you want the glitter to be as precise as possible. And then I applied some mascara to my lashes, and then I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes in the style Bahama. These are my favorite lashes at the moment because they're super fluttery and dramatic, but they're not so long and dramatic that you can't see through the lashes. So you can still see the eyeshadow look that you've created, which I really think is super important. And then I went back into that first transition shade and I just put that all along my lower lash line. And then I took that deeper brown shade that we put in our crease and I focused that super close to my lashes. And then I went back into that first transition shade one more time just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. And the last thing that I did was I applied some mascara to my lower lashes, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. We appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!